Sneakers are everywhere, on the streets, in the gym, and even on fashion runways. But have you ever wondered how they're made? It's not just about putting pieces of fabric and rubber together. It's a complex process that combines creativity, technology, and skilled craftsmanship. Let's take a deep dive into the journey of a sneaker, from concept to completion. Step 1. Design and material selection. Every sneaker starts with an idea. Designers sketch out different styles, experimenting with shapes, colors, and materials. Some brands use computer software to create 3D models, allowing them to fine-tune every detail before production begins. Once the design is finalized, it's time to choose the materials. Different fabrics and components are carefully selected based on the sneaker's purpose. Lightweight mesh is used for breathability, leather for durability, and foam for cushioning. The outsole, which provides grip and stability, is usually made of rubber or a synthetic blend. Every material plays a role in making the perfect sneaker. Step 2. Cutting and stitching the upper. With the materials ready, the sneaker starts taking shape. Large sheets of fabric, leather, or synthetic materials are laid out and cut into specific patterns using precision cutting machines. Some factories use laser cutters for accuracy, while others rely on die-cutting techniques. These cut pieces form the sneaker's upper, the part that wraps around the foot. Skilled workers or automated machines stitch the pieces together, creating layers that provide support and flexibility. At this stage, features like breathable mesh panels, padded collars, or extra reinforcements are added for comfort and durability. Step 3. Creating the midsole and outsole. The midsole is what makes sneakers comfortable to walk or run in. It's usually made from lightweight foam, which absorbs shock and provides cushioning. High-performance sneakers may have special features like air pockets, gel inserts, or energy-returning materials for added comfort. The outsole, which makes contact with the ground, is molded from rubber or a rubber blend. Factories use large machines to press the rubber into molds, shaping it into the desired form. Grooves and tread patterns are added to improve grip and traction. Step 4. Assembling the sneaker. Now it's time to bring all the pieces together. The upper and midsole are carefully aligned and attached using strong industrial glue. Some sneakers also have stitched soles for extra durability. Machines apply heat and pressure to bond the materials securely, ensuring they won't come apart with wear and tear. Any extra adhesive is cleaned off, and the sneaker starts to look like a finished product. Step 5. Final touches and branding. Before the sneakers hit store shelves, they go through a series of final touches. Laces, logos, and decorative elements are added. Some brands emboss or print their logo directly onto the shoe, while others stitch on fabric tags or use heat transfers. Color detailing, custom designs, and texture enhancements bring the sneaker to life. Whether it's a classic style or a limited edition release, this step gives each sneaker its signature look. Step 6. Quality control and packaging. Before a sneaker is ready for customers, it has to pass strict quality checks. Testers examine everything, from stitching and glue application to material strength and flexibility. Some sneakers go through stress tests, where machines bend and twist them repeatedly to ensure they can withstand wear. Once they pass inspection, the sneakers are cleaned, packed in boxes, and labeled. They're then shipped to stores and warehouses, ready to be bought and worn by sneaker lovers around the world. And that's how sneakers are made. From a simple sketch to a stylish, comfortable shoe, every step is a blend of design, technology, and craftsmanship. The next time you put on a pair of sneakers, take a moment to appreciate the incredible process behind them. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more how it's made videos. Thanks for watching.